All right, Tool fam. I know the new promos for Team Mustard have begun dropping. Shout out to Jim over at Philly Fixed for finding this. This is the DeWalt 12-volt impact driver drill driver combo kit. Comes with two tubes, a charger, and a bag. Don't freak out. I know it went up. This used to be $149, I believe. However, if you tap there, you'll see they have included a free gift. Speaker, light, recip saw. I know it's not knocking your socks off, but if you guys keep scrolling, you guys can also choose between the brand new DeWalt Stubby or the brand new DeWalt Circ Saw. These are pretty amazing. They run about $150 depending on where you buy them on their own. And if that wasn't enough, DeWalt also has a buy more, save more going on. So far, I've only found brush tools, but there are a few other inclusions, such as this mid-torque impact wrench right here. The 1/2-inch mid-torque is part of the buy more, save more. And just to cap things off, everyone's favorite, the DeWalt backpack with the drill driver and the recip saw is back. It does come with two tubes, a charger, and the backpack. As always, I will leave the links in the description down below. If y'all find any more deals, leave them in the comments, or better yet, message me on Instagram over at Joe the Tool Guy on Insta. That's it for now, fam. Have at it. Good luck.